Our initial idea was to see if it's possible to reduce stress by interacting with sound, because there hasn't been much research in that area, and we wanted to approach the subject from a different angle. In the pre-analysis, we discovered that the millennial generation is the most affected by stress, and they therefore became our target group. This could make testing on a university campus the ideal place. After the research, we ended up with the following final problem statement. We figured that it would help our test of the final problem statement to compare our interactive test to a non-interactive test to see whether our approach works better. We made a prototype in order to fulfill our design requirements, making the user able to mix different sounds in order to compose music. For the testing, we used a true experiment design by having a control test besides the interactive and non-interactive tests mentioned before. In this control test, we were supposed to get the resting heart rate of the test participant. After the test was done, we discovered that the participant had in fact not reached a resting heart rate, which made it more difficult for us to use it as a control test. Instead, we compared the average heart rate of the interactive and non-interactive test methods for each test participant. Unfortunately, some of the tests had incorrect measurements and could therefore not be used. From our tests, it seems like the non-interactive method was a bit more effective than the interactive one, but this might also be influenced by the user trying to relax in the non-interactive test. Further research should be conducted to be able to give a clear answer to whether interacting with sound can be used to reduce stress.